don't know what law is. They're here. That distort the news. You don't know what law is. You don't know what justice is. Where's the news agents of Nigeria? What are they? You don't know that God is a God of justice. You don't know that? That God in heaven is a God of justice. You don't know that?
Something in my case, I accused him. He was office official. I asked him to recuse himself. Why did the chief judge not insist I was right? He left my case.
Okay, listen. If anybody is not happy with this, which is true, then you need to go and
No, I cannot. Because I have a court order. I have a court order. You have recused yourself. I have a court order. Anybody who disagrees with this order of court, go to appeal court. That's what you tell me all the time. You have come to official. You cannot preside over this case number again. Not in this life. You cannot. Not now, not tomorrow, not ever. A woman here cannot force this court to preside on my case. You cannot. Not today, not till forever. You are recused and you stand recused. Tell the chief judge, Nnamdi Kanu said, go on appeal. I recused him from my case. The state recused Justice Adema from my case. I did not insist Adema must hear my case. I never insisted. So why must you insist to hear my case? I don't want you in my case. I don't need you in my case. You are biased. You are biased. You cannot be in my case. A woman should do the right thing. A chairman of the board of bankers prosecution is impropriety. Nowhere in the world such nonsense done. You cannot be hobnobbing with lawyers, hobnobbing with justices, and you're proceeding a case. It's shameful. Absolutely shameful. Shameful. This is not a court of law. This is a shrine to injustice. And I will not subject myself to it. You stand recused and you must take my case. You cannot buy me.
You ask him, why did he list me? I did not go to say I want to be a witness. You are the one saying that. So if you see him, ask him, why did you list Wike as one of your witnesses?
Have you not seen it?
I'm coming. Mm-hmm. I don't list. See, you don't become a witness by reading newspaper. Mm-hmm. Nobody has served me any process. Nobody has subpoenaed me. So because I saw Wike's listed, therefore, I'm going to run helter skelter. No, you don't do that. If I am served, if I'm subpoenaed to come and give witness or to give evidence, I must obey the court. I must appear. But not on pages of newspapers. Nobody does that.
Excellency,
and so as to why I should be listed, he who chooses me there, he should ask him the question. But if I am invited, if I'm supposed to come, go home and sleep. I will be there.
Good morning, viewers, wherever you are watching us from. This CNC News. Here with me is Mr. Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence, good morning.
Good morning.
Quick one, let me have your reaction concerning what happened last week in the court that Nnamdi Kanu said he has no case to answer. Does it mean that Nnamdi Kanu is trying to bring the Nigeria judiciary into mob? Or would you rather say that Nigeria judiciary should not try to play this very game with Nnamdi Kanu, because it seems as if that there shall be no end to this very case of Nnamdi Kanu?
Yeah, number one now. Good morning, our viewers, or good afternoon, or good evening, anywhere you are staying. Number one, that Nnamdi Kanu don't have any case again. Federal government, judiciary already tell Nnamdi Kanu they don't have anything case. I don't know why Ahmed Tinubu and APC government are still holding Nnamdi Kanu, and the man you kidnapped from Kenya to Nigeria, and they are still putting her into Nigeria custodies. There's somebody that he kidnapped. Okay, if you want to enjoy Nnamdi Kanu case, it's over more than 4 years now. So it's a judgment Nnamdi case. Whether in prison or exile or whatever, allow the man to go free. But now Nigeria government say no. Now, the kidnappers Nnamdi Kanu, they don't want judge Nnamdi Kanu case. And the federal government, the person that kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu, and the federal government, Ahmed Tinubu, the sitting president of Nigeria now, don't want to consider to release Nnamdi or Nnamdi Kanu. What you committed is life imprisonment or 20 years imprisonment.
So, Mr. Lawrence, quick one. What do you think is going to happen in this very case? Because it seems that the federal government does not want to pack up. Neither Nnamdi Kanu and also Nnamdi Kanu does not want to pack up. And it's not going to be a win-win kind of thing. Will you rather advise Justice or Omotosho to just close the case and maybe they should settle out of court?
Number one, I'm not have anything good for Omotosho hand. They already know that Nnamdi Kanu don't have any case. But what I'm seeing there that Omotosho is bringing Nigeria more disgrace in daily basis. Omotosho is bringing disgrace for Nigeria in daily basis. Look at Showore. Showore is an activist. He brings Nnamdi Kanu issue out to protest and tell the whole world Nnamdi Kanu is innocent. Look at the history in the world that a lawyer come outside and protest for your own defenders.
Mr. Lawrence, Mr. Lawrence.
Nnamdi Kanu is innocent. Nigeria government.
Wole Soyinka said that Nigeria government under the leadership of former President Muhammadu Buhari actually kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya. Recently, in an interview, Nate Nwoko also said that arresting Nnamdi Kanu and still putting in DSS detention is unjustifiable. Will you agree with this very two individuals that Nnamdi Kanu should be a free man?
Yeah, listen. Number one, Nigeria don't have any intention to release Nnamdi Kanu. Let all the old people, the other one. Nigeria.
But what is the offense of Nnamdi Kanu? Do you think that
Nnamdi Kanu give me my freedom? Allow my people to go. Allow you to control our resources. This is the only thing the Nnamdi Kanu requesting. And the federal government of Nigeria and the British government cannot allow the thing to happen. That's only the issue Nnamdi Kanu have. And you see that the right time will come that Nnamdi Kanu must be free. Because if Nigeria government don't like it by peace, they will take it by force.
All right, Mr. Lawrence, I think it's a very wonderful place to leave it. Viewers, in case you come across this very channel, CNC, please kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. All right, quick one, Mr. Olajide. Let me have your review concerning the case of Nnamdi Kanu that is still pending in court. Last week, Nnamdi Kanu said he has no case to answer after Justice Omotosho have been adjourned. Then last week, Justice Omotosho asked Nnamdi Kanu to open his defense. Nnamdi Kanu said he has no case to answer. Therefore, Justice Omotosho adjourned the case till 4th, 5th, and 6th of next month, which is November. Mr. Olajide, what is your stake on this very case of Nnamdi Kanu versus federal government?
Mr. Casey, our personal stand on this, it will be different from government stand. Government stand is that they must pursue Nnamdi Kanu for the crime they claim he committed in the course of advancing for self-determination. That is position of federal government. There are offences committed in the process of, that's the position of the federal government. But my own side different from that. So Kanu, okay, let me first talk about Kanu should look there's some steps Kanu took that I'm not agreeing with it.
What are the steps, Mr. Olajide?
The step of dismissing all his lawyers, his counsel, defense counsel. Number 2, he listed some names as his witness. He dismissed the names again. Wike.
Yes, the reason why he dismissed those names is that after he gone through the case file, he discovered that he has no case to answer. Okay. So he has to dismiss those witnesses because he has no case to answer.
Yes. as much as I respect Kanu's opinion and decision, it is his business, it's his matter. It's not my matter. But I still have my own right of opinion on his decision. I believe you know that. Even though the decision taken by Kanu is exclusively on his matter, it's his personal life. But that does not mean that I agree with that decision. I still have my opinion on that decision. And I'm telling you that my own opinion on those decisions he has taken concerning that matter, I'm not agree with it. I disagree with him. Yes, I respect his decision. Yes, entitlement to it is exactly his matter.
Mr. Olajide, you mean that Nnamdi Kanu shouldn't have dismissed his legal team? At the same time, he wouldn't have also dismissed the weaknesses that he called upon.
That's my own position. That's my own position.
All right, thank you.
Position. So yes, I'm not questioning his rights authority to have done that. He has absolutely right to do that. It's his matter, like I said, and I respect the decision. I also have my own right to my own decision, my own opinion, my own position on those decisions he's taking. Of course, he can't force his own opinion on me. If you do something, do I agree with what you do? I don't agree with that. I don't agree as I have dismissed all his defense counsel. Number two, those witnesses he has listed, they come and witness in the court. I has dismissed them again. I don't agree with it. Because you have given us opportunity to hear what the witness will say. And let's put them in public opinion. Let us hear what they will say. So that it will be in public record that this is what Wike said, this is what Olu said, this is what Umahi said. All those people listed are top class witnesses. We will have given us opportunity to hear, to ask questions on what they said, to be the question of the public opinion that this is what you say in the court. Now, he has forfeited, he has not allowed not to have that. Whether they will speak, whenever they want to speak, let us speak first so that they can be held responsible for what they have said. And now, that doesn't happen. The legal team is dismissed. I don't agree with that. I don't agree with it. I have my own right opinion to agree or disagree. Then number three, I don't believe Kanu can personally comfortably defend